everyone, this is Kizomba Phoenix with Julia and
your boy Tonino. We are doing this special video today as part of our special
#Stay Home Kizomba class.
Thank you so much. If you like what we're doing, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, share and tag, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, would like to see any video in particular, make sure you comment below. Let us know where you're watching this from so we can give you a special shout out. Without further ado,
let's do this.
Today we have a special 2A count
with a twist and a leg lift.
Very easy. 5, 6, half step. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, together, and 5, and 6, and 7, together. Hey! 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 8,
5, 6, 7, go. 1, and 2,
and 3,
and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, together, side,
6,
7, 8.
Hey! Now we're gonna go into full tempo. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 together. 5 and 6 and 7, 8.
Five, 6,
8,
5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, saída. 1, 2, 3, together, side, together, side, together.
Hey.
Now, with the music and with the partner.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 together. 5 and 6 and 7. Hey, basic 2.
Hey, hey, hey,
Basic 2. Hey. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3
and hook.
and 5 and 6 and 7,
8. 1 and 2 and 3 together, side, together.
Hey! That is all, folks.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.